It has been more than 6 weeks since the US-Iran war began, and its impact is being felt far beyond the region, especially in oil markets. Prices have surged, with Brent crude climbing above $100 a barrel as tensions disrupt key supply routes. That has pushed fuel costs higher around the world. Drivers are paying more at the pump, and in some places, supply concerns are growing.
The main problem for the markets is that Iran has closed the Strait of Hormuz, through which 20% of global oil is transiting. But it's more than this. On top of that, there have been extensive damage to oil facilities in Saudi Arabia, in Qatar, in Kuwait, in the UAE. And even if the Strait of Hormuz reopens tomorrow, it will take much longer to resume normal supplies.
In France, energy pressure has triggered a strong reaction in the automotive market. Online searches for electric vehicles have jumped by 160% since March. And across the country, electric car sales are also rising fast, up around 70%. Automotive experts say the EV market is booming, offering a way to stay mobile without the high costs of petrol and diesel.
I think this phenomenon we have observed is going to mark a real turning point in how French people buy their vehicles. 6 out of 10 French people say they will change the type of engine for their next vehicle.
This shift is not just limited to France. Across Europe, electric vehicle sales jumped 37% in March, reaching a record 540,000 units. Globally, EV and hybrid car sales topped 1.7 million in March. In Germany, a country known for its internal combustion engines, diesel prices have climbed to $2.95 per liter. And that's forcing a shift that years of government policy failed to achieve. Now the number of electric cars on the road has passed 2 million. Analysts say rising petrol prices are pushing more drivers to switch as they look to cut long-term costs.
The trend towards electric and hybrid vehicles has really taken off. There's a strong demand and growing interest as petrol and diesel prices remain high and people can no longer afford them. This trend is now gaining ground globally, and in the coming years, electric vehicles are expected to become even more common.
The transition to a green economy has long been the goal, but the reality of war is turning a gradual shift to a sprint. Now, one key question remains. Can charging infrastructure keep up with the sudden surge in demand? Or will the cost of fuel leave a lasting mark on the road ahead? Lara Kilicarslan, TRT World.